Hi, my name's Seth Fenby and this is a video inspection. What I have here is a Hitachi EX160LC excavator. I'm going to walk around and look at the major components. Here's the serial number plate. It's a Hitachi EX160LC-5, serial number 13KP002484. The hour meter is reading 10,621 hours. Here we have the right side undercarriage. The pads are in pretty decent condition, as you can see here. Probably about 60 to 70% life left. Sprocket on the right side and the final drive. The chain here and the top roller. There's the front idler. There's the track adjuster. There's the pins and bushings. Here we have the left side undercarriage. Left side pads and the growler bars here. They're probably about 60 to 70% life left. Sprocket, the chain, and the final drive. There's the top roller. And the idler. The track adjustment. Pins and bushings. The boom on this machine is in good condition. As you can see here, where the stick and the boom meet. It's tight. The stick is in nice condition, and here we have the grapple. It's good for demolition. Down the other side of the boom. The cab's in nice condition, all the glass is in the cab. Sheet metal's nice. There are some scratches, as you can see. Underneath here you can see the turntable. There's a hitch there. There's the inside the track group. Around to the right hand. A couple little dents in the sheet metal. Here we have the pump. Here's the engine. The engine starts up and runs good. We have inside the pump compartment. The batteries, radiator, air filter. Inside the cab, here we have the headliner. Here's the seat. The seat's in pretty good condition. It's just a little bit dirty. There's not really any major tears in it. Controls here, they all operate well. As you can see here, hydraulic power is really good. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, just feel free to send me a message or give me a phone call. And this is a good running and operating machine. And have a great day.